Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Go On Buddy. As always, in today's video, we are going to learn several English words with their meaning, mnemonic and picture. The trick is to remember all the words in a sequence each school. As you can see on the screen, with each letter of school, we have a new word. So without any delay, let's learn all the words and enjoy the story. The first letter of school is S and the word is spring, means jump. In Hindi, तेजी से उछाल या छलांग मारना. Mnemonic is spring को देखते ही रवि ने छलांग मार दी. Let's see the use of this word in the sentence. Ravi sprung in the air with joy and happiness when the government opened the school after second wave of the corona. The second letter is C and the word is Clang, which means bajana. Mnemonic is C language, C lang equal to Clang. C language की क्लास के लिए चपरासी ने घंटी बजाई. Let's see the sentence. Pune clanged the bell and Ravi went to the lab to attend C language class. The next letter is H and the word is Heyday, means आनंद का समय या फिर बहुत खुशी का समय. Mnemonic is Hey, आज डे में बहुत आनंद का समय है. Let's see the sentence. It was a heyday for him and his friends as they were meeting after a long period. He enjoyed the class and then went back to the class with his best friend. The next letter is O and the word is odor, which means a bad smell. In Hindi, badbu. Mnemonic is मोहित बदबू से order कह रहा था. Let's see the sentence. When Ravi sat on his seat, an odor of apple hit his nose. The odor was coming from his best friend Mohit's bag. The next letter is O and the word is orchard, which means बगीचा. Mnemonic is वो मुझसे सेब के बगीचे में पेड़ पर orchard कह रहा था. Let's see the sentence. Mohit had an orchard of apples, so he had brought rotten apples in his bag. Rotten means सड़ा हुआ. The last letter of school is L and the word is layout, which means to spread something out. In Hindi, बाहर रखना. Mnemonic is ले बोलकर उसने सेब बैग से बाहर निकाल दिए. Let's see the sentence. Ravi put his hand inside the bag, laid out all the rotten apples, and threw outside the boundary. So guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, comment the best word of the video and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, take care and enjoy.